Hello and welcome. My name is Johan. I will be your instructor. In this course, you will learn how to use Unity 3D to build a professional multiplayer chat system. Why would you want to learn how to build a chat system? Because any good online multiplayer game out there has a chat system where players can easily interact with each other by sending text messages and receiving back other players' messages. This is a must-have in any online multiplayer games. All the great games out there are using it. Just look at Star Wars, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, or even Battlefield. That's exactly what you will be making in this course. By the way, most of the courses out there will only teach you how to create a chat system on your local computer. But this course goes way beyond by having the chat system work on dozens of players texting each other at the same time. You will start by learning how to design the chat window user interface. Then you will get to program the code logic to send messages to other players. You will also get to program the code to receive messages from other players and create a chat window where you can scroll down through the chat log. We will also go beyond and have the player name of the person sending the message, as well as adding colors to know exactly who is sending that message. This course can be taken by anyone, even if you have no programming skills whatsoever, or even if you don't know how to draw, since this course comes with all the graphic assets and all the code already. The only tool we will use is Unity 3D, and it's completely free for personal use. No need to spend any extra money. This course is very easy to follow because all the steps are shown to you in the video lecture, so you cannot possibly miss any steps. Please, join this course now. As a bonus for joining, you will gain the full source code of the game with 3D pixel characters that are already animated for fantasy combats, such as, World of Warcraft type of game or Minecraft. And you'll get also lots of weapons, items, and gear so that you can equip as well. That's worth at least $500 right there. You've got nothing to lose because if I don't deliver, if you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund. I'll see you in the course.